YouTube for developers. Every platform has its space for developers that can use their unique skills to create and deploy amazing applications that will allow users to use and interact with their platforms in a way that goes beyond its main function. And YouTube is no exception. The YouTube for Developers platform is a great way to integrate the YouTube experience on your own applications because it provides you with access to a nice selection of YouTube APIs that can help you to bring your digital products to life with video. You can access the YouTube for Developers platform by going to the youtube.com/yt/dev URL on your browser, where you will find demos so you can see how YouTube APIs work in action, which is great for finding ideas for your next app implementation. There, you will also be able to find API resources that include documentation, sample codes, and tutorials that will help you to get deeper into development using the YouTube application programming interfaces. Here, you will also find application showcases that will show you some great applications that you might not know were developed with YouTube APIs, as well as developer stories that will allow you to take a sneak peek of how far you can go with the YouTube for Developers platform. In the Demos tab, you will find several examples of how the application programming interface is working in real time, so you can get a nice idea of how you will be able to use them once you start integrating YouTube on your own applications. You can use the menu on the right side to deploy these API demos. So let's take a look. The Sentiment Analysis tool can help you to analyze how audiences react to videos by monitoring interactions such as comments using the YouTube Comments API. The Live widget will allow you to automate your YouTube live streams so you can harness the power of live video to create amazing experiences for your audiences and to build new fan bases. The YouTube Analytics API will allow you to chart and compare data as to gain insights from your audience. The Topic Explorer will make it easier for you to find the most relevant content and free-based topics through the YouTube Data API. Finally, the Upload widget will allow you to capture and upload video from any device the easy way with the YouTube Data API. Now, on the API Resources tab, you will find everything that you will ever need to get started on the YouTube for Developers platform, such as API documentation, widgets and tools, the Analytics API, the Data API, Android resources, iOS resources, and the YouTube Developer Live channel. In the Showcase tab, you will find information about great and successful apps that were created using the YouTube for Developers platform, and you might be surprised to see that some of them may be installed on one of your devices right now. Lastly, the Developer Stories tab features several recounts from developers that have used the YouTube for Developers platform to build innovative applications that provide solutions to real-world problems. So, remember, if you want to integrate the amazing video sharing experience that YouTube provides with your own applications, there's no better place than the YouTube for Developers platform.